It was a quiet night in Oliver's room. The only sounds were the rustling of leaves outside and the soft ticking of a clock. As Oliver pulled his blanket up to his chin, he heard an unmistakable giggle. "Who's there?" he whispered, his voice trembling. The giggle grew louder. Mustering all his courage, Oliver leaned over the edge of his bed and peeked underneath. What he saw made him gasp. A pair of glowing eyes blinked back at him. "Hello," the creature said cheerfully, bouncing out into the moonlight. The creature was unlike anything Oliver had ever seen. It was small and round, with a patchwork of colorful fur and tiny wings that fluttered when it spoke. "I'm Giggsy, the Giggle Monster," it announced proudly, performing a clumsy bow. Oliver blinked in disbelief. "A monster?" "Not just any monster," Giggsy explained, puffing out its chest. "I make sad children laugh. But lately, I've been running out of giggle juice, and if I don't recharge soon, I'll vanish." Oliver sat up in bed. "Giggle juice? What's that?" "It's the energy that keeps me alive and happy," Giggsy said, its voice trembling. "And the only way to refill it is by spreading laughter. But something strange is happening. Laughter is disappearing from the world." Oliver felt a pang of sympathy. "What can I do to help?" Gigsy's eyes sparkled. "You can come with me on a journey to bring laughter back." Before Oliver could respond, Giggsy snapped its fingers, and a swirling portal appeared in the middle of the room. Oliver hesitated at the edge of the portal. "Is it safe?" "Of course," Giggsy said with a grin, mostly. With a deep breath, Oliver stepped through. The world around him dissolved into a kaleidoscope of colors before solidifying into a bustling city. But something was wrong. The people in the streets looked gloomy, their faces devoid of smiles. "This is Laughington," Giggsy explained. "It used to be the happiest city in the world, but now, why are they so sad?" Oliver asked. "The Giggle Bandits," Giggsy said darkly. "They've been stealing laughter and locking it away." Oliver clenched his fists. "Then let's get it back." A local shopkeeper overheard their conversation and handed Oliver a crumpled map. "This will lead you to the bandits' lair," she whispered, "but beware, they're tricky creatures." Oliver studied the map. It showed a winding path through a forest, past a mountain, and into a deep cave. "Ready?" Giggsy asked, bouncing with excitement. Oliver nodded. "Let's do this." The forest was dark and filled with strange noises. Whispering trees seemed to murmur secrets as Oliver and Giggsy made their way through. At one point, a group of shadowy figures blocked their path. "You shall not pass," one hissed. Giggsy stepped forward. "How about a trade? A joke for safe passage?" The creatures hesitated, then nodded. "What do you call a bear with no teeth?" Giggsy asked, grinning. The creatures leaned closer. "What?" "A gummy bear." The forest echoed with laughter, and the shadows dissolved, clearing the way. The path led them to a towering mountain. As they climbed, the air grew thin, and every sound they made echoed back at them. "This mountain repeats your deepest fears," Giggsy warned. Oliver shivered as the echoes began to whisper, "You're not brave enough. You'll fail." "I won't let them scare me," Oliver said, his voice trembling but determined. He started humming a tune, drowning out the echoes. Giggsy joined in, and together, they silenced the mountain. At the cave entrance, Oliver and Giggsy paused. The sound of stolen laughter drifted out, faint but unmistakable. Inside, the bandits were hoarding glowing bubbles of giggles in a massive jar. When they saw Oliver and Giggsy, they snarled. "You can't take our treasure," one bandit growled. "We don't want to take it," Oliver said calmly. "We want to share it." The bandits were skeptical, but Giggsy showed them how sharing laughter could make everyone happy. They released the stolen giggles, which floated back to the city. As the bandits began to laugh for the first time, their dark forms transformed into colorful, playful creatures. Back in Laughington, the streets were alive with joy. Children laughed and played, and even the grumpiest adults were smiling. You did it, Giggsy cheered, glowing brighter than ever. My giggle juice is back to full, Oliver smiled. I couldn't have done it without you. As the portal brought Oliver back to his room, Giggsy gave him a hug. You're braver than you know, the monster said. Thank you for saving me and the world's laughter. That night, Oliver slept peacefully, knowing he had faced his fears and made a difference.